Hi everyone, my name is Sharon and in today's Kizomba tutorial video, we will be talking about the men Saida, also known as the lead Saida. So as I mentioned, today's video is on the men Saida, also known as the lead Saida, and that was a term I recently heard at a workshop I attended in Toronto, and that makes perfect sense because not only men are leads in Kizomba. So lead Saida, which means that the lead exits out of the line of dance, is the more inclusive term. But still, people do know this move by the other name, men Saida or man Saida, so I will use that terminology as well in this tutorial. There's also what I used to call ladies Saida or women's Saida, or now follow Saida. So if you just look up here at this link, you can see the link to the follows timing for the lady Saida, and I think I'll put up another link because I did a separate video on the leads timing for the follow Saida or lady Saida. So anyway, let's get back to this video on the men's Saida or the lead Saida. So I will turn around because I think it will be easier to see that way. So this is the line of dance, and the lead will step out with their left leg on count 1. So they're going to step out and forward, and I'm going to have my hands like this for the partner's stance. So as leads step out on count 1, the follow is still in the line of dance, and you see as I stepped out, I rotated my torso to face my partner because we want to maintain that chest connection. So you step out on 1, forward on 2, forward on 3. On 4, we're going to step forward and then back in front of the follow and tap 5. And then to finish the 8 count, we can do a basic 3, 6, 7, tap 8. Now a basic 3 doesn't always have to follow a men's Saida, but for the purposes of this tutorial, just to complete the 8 count, that's what we're going to do. So let's do it from this angle. So partner stance, I am going to step out on count 1 and then rotate my body towards my partner that's now beside me. Then 2, 3, 4, bring the partner back in front of me, or actually I go back in front of the partner, my follow. Tap 5, 6, 7, tap 8. So things to remember with the men's or lead Saida: as you step out, you rotate your chest. Your feet are still pointing forward, but there's a dissociation of your torso and the bottom half, so the upper part will face your follow so that you maintain that connection. And on count 4, you're still stepping forward, but you step in front of the follow. Don't bring the follow in front of you, because the lead is the one that steps out of the line of dance. So let's do it from this angle. So I'm going to step out and rotate my torso towards the follow on 1, 2, 3, then I step back in front of the follow, 4, tap 5, 6, 7, tap 8 to finish the 8 count. So let's do it from the follow timing. So I'm going to turn around. So for the follows, it's pretty simple. The men's Saida, this is the line of dance, and as follows, we stay in the line of dance. So the lead will step out on 1. So as they step out, we will rotate our torso towards the lead to maintain that chest connection. Step back 2, 3. We're still stepping back on 4 as the lead comes back in front of us. Tap 5, then 6, 7, tap 8 with the basic 3 to finish the 8 count. Let us go in this direction. So here, I'm going to step back on 1 while the lead steps out on 1. My chest rotates towards the lead. 2, 3, 4. The lead comes back in front of me. Tap 5, 6, 7, tap 8. And then from this direction, so I'm stepping back on 1, the lead exits. 1, 2, 3, the lead's back in front of me on 4, and I'm still stepping back because the intention is still for me to go backwards. Tap 5, and then 6, 7, tap 8. So that's it for the men's or lead Saida. So let's put these moves to music. So I hope you enjoyed that Kizomba tutorial on the men's or lead Saida. For more information on the classes that we offer, please visit our website at damimasdance.ca and check us out on Facebook at Damimas Dance Studio and on Instagram at Damimas Dance. Thanks for watching.